The five global tech giants, Alphabet, Google's parent company, Meta Platforms, Facebook's parent company, Microsoft, Amazon, and Apple, are set to release their latest quarterly earnings this week. The profit and revenue growth, along with forward guidance from FAAMG, will serve as a touchstone for the market's direction. Here are the key aspects to focus on in each company's earnings report. Before we begin, feel free to subscribe and follow for more U.S. stock market insights. Number 1. Alphabet, Google's parent company. Alphabet will be the first among the giants to release its earnings. Investors will focus on its core advertising business, particularly YouTube's performance. Key areas include YouTube's short-form content and advertising strategy. Additionally, Google Cloud's growth is noteworthy, as it includes Google Workspace and is rapidly becoming a significant revenue source, especially as it competes with Amazon AWS and Microsoft Azure. Analysts have positively adjusted their earnings and sales forecasts, anticipating solid performance. Technically, Alphabet's stock is nearing the top resistance of a triangular pattern, testing the key resistance around 170. A breakout could open further upside potential, while failure to break through may lead to a fallback to the triangle's bottom support near 150. The earnings report will be crucial for its short-term stock direction. Number 2. Meta Platforms, Facebook's parent company. Meta Platforms is expected to achieve record-high profitability this quarter, driven by strong digital ad demand. Investors will closely monitor ad revenue, particularly the monetization progress of Reels. Additionally, developments in reality labs, metaverse and virtual reality, platform user engagement, and privacy policy changes affecting ad targeting will impact performance. Technically, Meta's stock is in an upward trend, having recently broken through the top resistance of an ascending channel in the 565-570 range. The stock is currently testing this area for support. If it holds, further gains are likely. If it breaks below, it may return to the channel's bottom support in the 475-480 range. Number 3. Microsoft's main growth driver this quarter is its Azure cloud computing business. Investors will focus on Azure's performance amid pressure on enterprise IT spending, particularly in competition with Amazon AWS and Google Cloud. The integration of AI technology into software products, such as Office 365 and cloud services, is also a highlight. Microsoft's collaboration with OpenAI and AI business revenue contribution are expected focal points. Technically, Microsoft's stock is in a triangular pattern, with a narrower range, currently testing the top resistance around 430, with bottom support around 415. Short-term funds are awaiting the earnings release to determine the breakout direction. Number 4. Amazon. Amazon's Q3 report will focus on AWS and e-commerce performance. AWS holds a leading position in the global cloud computing market, crucial for overall company performance. Analysts will also watch North American and international e-commerce performance amid consumer inflation pressures. Advertising and logistics, as new growth engines, will also be in the spotlight. Technically, Amazon stock is oscillating within a high-level triangular region, with resistance between 185-195 and support between 180-185. The earnings release could prompt a breakout. Number 5. Apple. Apple will be the last of the big five to release earnings. The focus this quarter is on iPhone sales. Despite challenges in China and the consumer electronics industry, the services segment will be a significant revenue component. Additionally, the performance of wearables such as Apple Watch and AirPods will also be a point of interest. Technically, Apple's stock has been oscillating within a high-level triangular pattern, showing signs of an upward breakout, but currently consolidating near the top resistance. The market may be awaiting this week's earnings to choose a direction, and aggressive investors might consider positioning for the earnings event. The upcoming earnings reports from the FAAMG companies are highly anticipated, particularly their latest achievements in innovation, cloud business, digital advertising, and AI technology. With analysts raising their profit and revenue expectations, the market is eager for strong performances in key business areas. What are your thoughts on this week's tech earnings? Feel free to leave a comment, and thanks for watching.